Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are Team Evolutionaries and today we're going to walk you through the dashboard that we came up with as part of the Honda Data Analytics case competition. So our problem statement was to create a value proposition and entry strategy for a BEV company. So we considered the following factors. Firstly, we did a market analysis. We analyzed the current BEV market landscape, trends and competitors. We also did an analysis on the consumer preferences to understand the diverse preferences and values of our potential consumers. We created a product differentiation strategy to define how our BEV stands out from the competitors. We worked on sustainability and eco-friendly benefits for our BEV. We came up with a distribution plan as well as a marketing and promotion plan. So our goal is to create a comprehensive and innovative approach that sets our company apart and attracts customers. For this, we did an analysis of the current market segment. So for our analysis, we used both the data sets that were given to us as part of this challenge. One was on the battery electric vehicles and other on the alternate fuel vehicles. So firstly, we did an analysis of the average electric range by vehicle type and the count of electric vehicle types, and we see that battery electric vehicles are more prominent than plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. We also see that the average electric range for battery electric vehicles are very high in comparison to plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. We also did an analysis on the electric vehicles produced by alternate companies for 2021 and 2022, and we saw that 2022 showed a great increase in electric vehicles produced in comparison to 2021. We also did a distribution of the alternate fuel types that were available. So we found out the top 5 alternate fuel types, and we saw that first we have hybrid electric followed by electric. We did a distribution of vehicle types among alternate fuel vehicles, and we saw that sedan and wagon followed by SUV are the top 2. We also did a distribution of all the electric range for electric vehicles, and we see that the maximum range is between 225 and 250, which gives us a lot of insights. We also did an analysis of the top 5 electric vehicle models for each maker, and we see that Model 3 has the highest number of vehicles produced, followed by Model Y. We also did a distribution of the BEVs by manufacturer, and we saw that Ford is producing a highest number of alternate fuel vehicles, followed by Audi. We also did an analysis of the number of vehicles for each of the states, and we saw that Washington is producing the highest number of electric vehicles. We did an analysis of the vehicle count by maker. So we see that Tesla is the leading manufacturers and sellers of electric vehicles, followed by Nissan. Apart from the 2 data sets that we were given, we also found another data set online for to analyze the different electric station data, and we see that California has the highest number of electric stations. So that gave us a very different insight, as we saw that Washington has the highest number of electric vehicles produced, but it seems like it does not have that kind of an infrastructure to support. We also did an analysis of the alternate fuel vehicle availability by model year, and we see that there is a steep increase from 2020 to 2023. So based on these analysis, we came up with a few recommendations. So firstly was to focus on popular segments. So given the popularity of sedans and wagons followed by SUVs in the alternate fuel vehicle market, we can prioritize these segments for new BEV models. Next, we saw that Tesla followed by Nissan are the prominent in the electric vehicle market, and we thought of considering strategies to differentiate ourselves from these market leaders with the help of unique design, pricing or other technological features. Another thing that we saw was on the CAFE eligibility trends. We saw that there is a decrease over the years and this suggests changing regulations or consumer preferences, warranting a closer look at the policy and market dynamics. We also saw that there is a significant presence of Tesla's Model 3, which suggests a strong market preference for this type of vehicle. We can analyze the features and we can use the popularity of this particular model to stand different from our competitors. We can also consider the diverse fuel options in the different categories. So, different vehicle categories have varying alternate fuel options, and this diversity indicates opportunities in niche markets with specific fuel type preferences. From the demographic, geographical point of view, we saw that California has a leading number of fuel stations and Washington has the highest number of electric vehicles, vehicle adoption. So we can focus on these states for our initial market entry and expansion strategies, as we would not have to spend much on the infrastructure and the raw materials. We can also develop a competitive strategy that leverages Ford's focus on battery electric vehicles and other manufacturers' focus on hybrid electric vehicles, possibly exploring niche segments and innovative technology. So, these were our recommendations, and we really enjoyed working on this problem statement. If you have any questions or anything that you want to inquire about our project, you can contact any one of us. I'm Sharon George. My next teammate is Shashank, and my third teammate is Mink. So please feel free to reach out to us in case of any queries, and we look forward to working on this soon. Thank you.